Welcome to another episode of Cool Places Across America with CNL. I'm Chuck. Lori's inside, getting the finishing touches on packing. Tonight, it's the 4th of July. We're heading to the beach for the fireworks. That's coming up next here on Cool Places Across America with CNL. Okay, we made it to the beach, Sunset Beach, and we're just gonna head up, find a spot, and wait for the fireworks and have a little dinner. As we're walking up to the beach to find our spot for the fireworks, please subscribe to this channel and like this video so that we can keep bringing these episodes to you. Now back to the show. Okay, so found our spot on the beach. Not sure how the audio will be on this, but we'll do our best. Listen to some music at the pier, Sunset Beach. Fireworks should be on both sides of us. One side Ocean Isle Beach, the other's Cherry Grove Beach. And we're here, gonna have a little dinner, enjoy the views of the ocean till the fireworks start. Okay, well, we had our dinner. We had some sandwiches and chips. Just sitting here watching the ocean now, doing some people watching. Has to get a little bit darker. We're hoping, you can see in the background, it's getting kind of stormy looking. There's a possibility that it could rain. Hopefully it'll hold off until after the fireworks. We're just gonna hang out here in our spot, listen to music from the pier, and wait for the fireworks to start at the two beaches, one to the right of us, one to the left of us, and hopefully we have a good time. You excited about this? Yeah.
Hopefully we don't get rained on.
Yep, we'll see. Okay, we're back home. Wonderful fireworks. You probably also saw nature's fireworks too. There were some storms going on in the area. So we had a decent view of the fireworks from Sunset Beach up looking towards Ocean Isle. We didn't want to walk to the end of the beach where we would have probably had an even better view, but because of the weather, we wanted to be close to the street and so we can get to the car. And boy, as soon as we got to the car, as the fireworks were ending, it just opened up in a ton of rain, but we made it back home safely. And I think this is where we're gonna end this episode of Cool Places Across America. I wanna thank everybody for watching this episode. If you haven't done so yet, please like this video and follow us so we can continue to make these little shows for you. And until next time, happy travels from Cool Places Across America with CNL.